In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent on Weebly. If you've ever found yourself staring at your Weebly site, wondering how to add that perfect indentation to your text, don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end you'll know precisely how to do it effortlessly. First, let's get started by heading over to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app made by Square. This is our starting point for accessing Weebly. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as it will allow you to access your account and subsequently your Weebly dashboard. If you haven't already signed up, make sure you're registered and have your login details handy. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Square dashboard. From here, look for an option that says Overview Weebly and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the features of your website. After you're in the Weebly overview, you'll want to click on the Website option. Doing this will take you to a more detailed view of the current setup of your site. Next, you'll spot a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up the Weebly website editor where all the magic happens. At this point, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu where you should see an Add Section option. Clicking on this will allow you to structure your page just the way you want it. Now let's add the functionality we're after. Find and click on Embed Code. This feature is what enables you to add custom HTML and tweak the indentation of your text. Once activated, you can paste in or write the code that will apply to your indentation style. Remember, tiny adjustments in HTML can lead to substantial differences in how your text appears. So don't rush. Take the time to preview how each change affects your page. It's important to keep in mind that sometimes trial and error are part of the process. So if your first attempt doesn't look right, don't hesitate to make small tweaks until you achieve that clean and professional look you're aiming for. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently add indentations to your Weebly site. Remember, mastering these small details can greatly enhance the readability and aesthetics of your content. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.